Hi everyone, welcome to another Tapping Tuesday. I'm really excited to be here today because I want to introduce to you something that I've learned over the last few days. And I want to start first with the kind of tapping that we've been using and then move into a tapping sequence that was developed by a couple of folks. I've included who are from Sweden, Gunilla and Ulf. They've been using tapping in so many different parts of the world. They created a sequence that you don't have to use words for. And I wanted to introduce it to you because I think it might be useful. And my intention is to introduce as many different kinds of tapping as possible. Yep, it's time for the trains. So let's just imagine that each time the train toots, that it's just a reinforcement, just like that, to what we're thinking or saying. How about that? All right. At the karate chop, back up. Think of an issue that's been stressful for you, and tune into it as clearly as possible. Rate it the intensity on a scale from 0 to 10. And I'm going to do the simple tapping for this. And I'm going to say this problem or this issue, and you'll be thinking about whatever it is that has been stressful or worrisome to you. Now, are you ready? At the karate chop, even though I have this stress, this issue, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I have this stress, this issue, I accept how I feel. Even though I have this stress, this issue, this problem, I deeply and completely love, accept, and forgive myself. Eyebrow, this problem, side of the eye, this problem, under the eye, this problem, under the nose, this problem, below the chin, this problem, collarbone, this problem, under the arm, this problem, top of the head, this problem, eyebrow, this problem, side of the eye, this problem, under the eye, this problem, under the nose, this problem, above the chin, this problem, collarbone, this problem, under the arm, this problem, top of the head, this problem. Stop and take a deep breath. And reassess, 0 to 10 scale, what's happening to the intensity of the problem as you tune into it. So now we're going to try this new technique. It's not so new that Gunilla and Ulf have been teaching it since about 2006, 2007. They call it the trauma tapping technique, and it actually doesn't include words. We're going to slow down the tapping itself we don't do the top of the head, but there's some other things that we're going to end up doing that are actually related to the very original sequence for tapping that I learned some years ago. So this is the trauma tapping technique. I'm including with this video some links to their work, and it includes a great one that they've recorded that has some dancing and singing with it and movement. All those together can make a big difference when it comes to working with stress or trauma itself. So we start actually with, first start with thinking about whatever the issue is. And then we're going to do this sort of crown pull, or maybe it's an eyebrow, 3 times. That feels really good, doesn't it? One more time. And now we're going to tap both sides at the same time, or you can alternate, either one is fine. Eyebrow, same points basically. Side of the eye. And we're tapping, I need to slow down. Under the eye. Under the nose. Above the chin. Collarbone is the same. This is right under the collarbone. Under the arm is the same. You don't have to do both sides. Here's what's different. So you're going to actually take a finger or two and tap on the side of the finger on the inside here. Start with the pinky, ring finger, I like what they call long finger. I like that. Pointer, and thumb, side of the thumb. Back to the collarbone. Now, what they do is take a deep breath, and hold it, and then sigh. Do that twice, so take another deep breath, hold it, and sigh. Great. Now, we're going to repeat the sequence. Again, eyebrows, side of the eye, under the eye, under the nose, above the chin, collarbone, under the arm, and this time you're going to do the other hand, pinky, ring finger, long finger, pointer, thumb, back to the collarbone, stop, take a deep breath and hold it, and exhale, sigh, take another deep breath and hold it, exhale, sigh. Check in again on whatever the issue is. I'm already feeling really good. I don't know about you. And as they say, lather, rinse, and repeat. So if you want to go another round, go another round. But happy Tapping Tuesday to you. See you next time.